Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp web not downloading documents. So if your WhatsApp web won't download documents, so I'm going to show you how to fix that. So first, so you can log out and log back in. So to log out, click the settings icon in the bottom left corner, then click log out. So once log out, log back in and see if that works. Next is to clear your browser cache. So click the three dots in the top right, then go to delete browsing data. Then select the time frame. Then check cache images and files and cookies. Then click delete data to confirm the action. Then go back to WhatsApp web and try again and see if that works. Next is to update your browser. So click the three dots in the top right, then go to settings. Now go to the bottom left corner and click about Chrome. So install any available updates. Then click relaunch to relaunch Chrome and go back to WhatsApp web and see if that works. Next is to restart your computer. So a simple restart can clear temporary system or browser issues affecting downloads. So click the start menu, then click this power button, then click restart. Then once restarted, open Chrome and open WhatsApp web and see if that works. Then try again if you can download the document. So if WhatsApp web is not downloading documents, you can refresh the page. So click this refresh button right here and see if that works. So you can verify your internet connection, you can keep your phone connected, you can clear your browser cache, disable extensions, update your browser, etc. So if the issue continues, you can try another browser or use the WhatsApp desktop app. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.